Hi guys, just want to do a quick video regarding the NEXTBASE dashcam. This one is a NEXTBASE 312GW Deluxe, that one there. The thing about it is it does the full 1080p HD. Now one of the things about it is it has no point getting through everything. I was going to say it's got a 2.7 inch LCD colour screen, etc, blah blah, right? So the main reason for buying this, basically, bear with me, I'm going to bring the camera over just now. The main reason for buying this was so that I wanted to check that it would do for, let's try to stand up a wee bit, it would do for the rear of the vehicle. The only trouble is I have tinted windows in the rear of the vehicle, so I've not been too sure as to how this would actually perform. Now, that said and done, I have tested it and I'm happy with the results, but I'm going to show you what the results are like. The camera itself cost around, I think it was about £70. In fact, to be honest, I'm not too sure, it was probably less than that. It's on offer just now, I know that. What I'm going to do is, as I say, I'm going to play a video of how it looks through the rear window, and I'll come back to you after I've played that. Hi guys, now as you can see there, the video that's just played, I'm quite impressed actually by the quality of the video itself, and bearing in mind that is through the tinted windows of the vehicle. The vehicle that I have, incidentally, I should mention, is a Ford Kuga titanium. The windows are quite dark, and one of the other points I should mention is I'd gone out to the rear of the vehicle just to check, and you cannot see the camera at all on the back window, so it's pretty well disguised, to be honest. So for the quality it's actually picking up, even number plate you can see is from the vehicles behind is extremely clear, so well worth it, as I say, and I don't have any qualms about it. So if you get any questions or anything you would like to ask, just drop me a note in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So as usual, thanks for watching.